Test, test, test. Hey. Let's try that. That should be way better. I think this mic has built-in let me turn up the gain. Actually, I might have a gain on the back. I can't tell. Ooh. Test, test. I can't tell. Okay, it don't matter. Gain up. Hello. Hello. That should be more than enough. Let's turn this back up. Hello. Still getting kind of the computer noisy stuff going on. Hello. That's a little bit better. You can still probably hear it when I speak. It shouldn't be so horrible. Hopefully. Okay. Sorry about that new mic. I haven't really configured it yet. I kind of played around with it a little bit before stream, but not a lot. Let's see here. What was I going to do? Oh, yeah. Gonna do some of these type things because all right. Didn't mean to hit that. Sorry. Art. Yes. Got that guy. Oh no, my system number. Woohoo. Okay. Let's do that again. There was a few things I wanted to talk about in here, but we should probably get the channel thing out of the way first. The channel thing. Actually, be right back. I'm gonna just pull up Fruity Loops, and I don't want it just to pop on stream and dox me real quick. Hold on. Okay, I guess I don't have to worry about that because in the middle of that, it decided it was going to go back to trial version for whatever reason. I don't know. That is grayed out. I don't know why that's grayed out. Oh, okay. Well, whatever. Weird. Alright, let's my audio output was like covered. Okay. I know how to fix most of the stuff. Okay, this isn't working. Is there a reason why this isn't working? Hmm. I have no audio. It's not coming through there, right? No, it's not. Not coming through any of them. Did my devices get screwed up? Hmm. I don't remember. Okay. So, always great. It's not doing that because it doesn't have the sweep. I know how to reinstall this and make all of it work now, I believe, through Lutris at least. Okay. Let's this sucks because like this is not cool. I wonder if it's just okay, I want to pull this and close this in the other window just so it doesn't dox me if it happens to work. Let me configure this real quick because like I don't know if it's just I may have to do some other things. Alright, let's do some dumb shit real quick. Where's my Kate at? My good old Kate. Doesn't have to be great. Just click a new file so we got something to type in here. It's fine. Okay. Channel stuff. Help if I could type. One. Rating system. Okay, so doesn't do that automatically. That sucks. Or is it shift enter? No. I think there's a way I can turn that on that, but doesn't matter. Anywho, so my rating system, basically doing a 1 through 5. This is set in stone now. I'll even put now there just to so you know I'm serious with the exclamation point. B. I will not really be doing 1 through 5 though. I am doing it as a -2, -1, 0, +1, +2. You could do it, say it's a, you could say it's one, could say it's a 1 through 5, but it's it's not. Okay, what do I mean by that? So let's go with F and what or okay. Yes, F. What I mean is it's basically thumbs up, thumbs down. Jesus Christ, man. I'm saying that at such a bad angle for typing. If you could see me, you'd be like, oh, I get it. All right, let me try to move on a little bit better here. Okay, so it's basically a thumbs up, thumbs down. Need a comma there, but hey, whatever. So here's the outline. -2. So I've been doing that the whole entire time, but hey, don't judge me. This is total garbage. Would not recommend at all. -1. Bad game. Or still, because I'm doing more than games. Still bad. But maybe has redeemable qualities. I don't know if I'm spelling any of this shit right. Qualities? Is it qualities? I think everybody gets it by now. So I think this has a spelling thing in there. Maybe, maybe not. I don't remember. I just do basically wrong. which makes me wonder. I think doing cursive for so long kind of screwed up my spelling too, because like there's a lot of words that when I wrote them out in cursive, they didn't look right, spelled right. Sometimes, like it seemed like I was missing something, and basically, it's like usually one of those words that kind of triggers that because doing the two cursive L's looked better than just doing the one. So I always thought it was this way and not that way if it happens to be that way, but it might happen to be that way. I don't remember at the current moment. My brain kind of eats it too a little bit with the slight dyslexia and the ADHD. I think recommend's even kind of close. And once again, like the font fucks me up more than anything because like when I look at it, I'm like, whatever. I don't know. And then if I'm not used to the font, like I'm not used to this font at all. I haven't used Kate in years, and like this font's kind of like fuck with me. So I'm like, maybe it is, maybe it's not. Anywho, let's get this paint over with. Fantastic. Great. Stellar. What? We'll do whatever. All right. Understandable. Okay. That is the rating system going forward. We're gonna do a little thing here where we go. I'm doing all things this way, even going back and correcting old things to this review structure. Yes. Okay. Actually, I want to see if oh hell no, there ain't no spell check on this page. uh let's see, I think there are, but which this is way more of a coding keyboard than anything else. Really? Yeah, I got encodings for everything, but that stuff. Oh no. No. I knew. I was like, oh my god. See, I want to add characters most of the time. Whatever. It's fine. 5 out of 20 isn't bad. Yeah. Anywho, I'm also more concerned about how horrible I feel here. Sitting in this angry chair. Okay. That's that. We might want to edit this in certain different ways to not show how bad of a speller I am, but we'll we'll get this here. So actually, we'll do that now because I'm an asshole. Let me go back to my thing because it moved away from my thing and I wanted my thing to be active. Okay. Because I wanted to actually see my chat if anything happened. And it didn't show me shit. Alright. Is it? Oh, okay. So, to recap, rating system, I'm going to be doing all this stuff. Like, I'm going to go back in my, my little, my old NES playthrough. I'm going to go through and rate them like this. My old Atari collection playthrough, my old, all that other stuff. Basically going to go re-rate things. I'm also planning on doing some anime reviews here pretty quick, and this will be the format for the anime reviews as well. This will also be I'm going to do slight music reviews as well in the coming, basically movies, anime, music are being added. But I'm also going to, if there's an old playthrough, I plan on revamping that playthrough, which is an old playthrough. This rating will be on the clips, like the old clips, and I will be giving everything that I've played through thus far this rating, which is cool, I guess. I don't know. Up to you what you think, I guess. But that's that, and that gets over that. And that's one thing out of the many. So let's go back to that. And make new art. I've kind of done a little bit of this in the back end while I've been gone. I need to replace pretty much everything. I need to kind of replace everything here. So we'll go replace all channel stuff, icons, bumps, emotes, so on and so forth. Also fun stuff. Don't know what that entails, but we'll get it there. Okay. So with that out of the way, let's do that and do that. So I can never. Oh, I can configure grub through there. I guess that would make sense. Because I don't know how you would do it elsewhere. Alright, so I should probably explain something. So with Bazite here, if I do the atypical, let me say I want, I don't even know what, Boy, my brain just is not in this. What's something that I probably don't have that I should need? Let's say mono. It may or may not. Okay. So it's going to give me like this error because it's trying to open up a Firefox browser and there's one already open, I guess. I don't really know. But there's this dumb thing about Bazzite, you can't just install things like this for funsies. So what you actually have to do is either do it through this thing or the box thing. Probably lots of updates. 300 million updates. Or crash. Crash. That's not gonna be cool. Okay. Yes, a lot of these I'm using currently. It probably doesn't like that there's an OBS update and OBS is running. So we're gonna guess that's the problem for the moment. I can't search either. Huh. It's always something with you. I wonder what is happening. It just is like in full fuck me mode. Okay, I guess we won't do that for right now. I don't know what broke it. Alright. Two. Well, that's kind of cool. Okay. Distrobox was the thing I was going because there's like one that's like a boxy box, I guess. But can do that command again, but then throw that guy in there. Well, there's only one. Why? Oh, that. I wonder what is going on. Oh, now it's. Let's do that again. Um, Okay, I'm just like... all fun and stuff. Hmm. Oh, okay. Actually, let me look at the. Just let me do the. Bullet. Okay. Oh. Uh. This is probably 3.4 gigs. Holy shit, man. Um. Well, while I'm waiting for all that. Uh. Cause I still don't think I am doing that right. I can't remove a new. Why was it telling me no? That's really dumb. I really hate it. All right. Uh. Thanks, guys. Um. I can probably just. I hate that. Like almost all stupid ass. All search engines are horrible. Actually, I don't know why I'm using that one either. Go back. I thought that was much better, but hey, whatever. Uh, nope. Not even kinda. Uh, I really hate. Really hate. I installed a new extension thinking it would be cool, and it's been more trouble than it's been worth. Hey, look at that. Actually looks correctly now. Uh, mm, I I hate this because it's like, oh, how to install beds? Like that is not even kind of what the fuck I'm asking for. Uh, it's also would probably be easier just to go and do. Howdy geek. Once again. So stupid. Yeah, it's cool. Which I don't know if I have to do the U just in there or not. Holy shit. But I should be able to, because that's telling me to do the thing that I just did with the things I did. Why not? It's kind of ugly, but we're going to leave it for now. Oh, hey. We're going to download more things. Can you magically fix my thing? Looking for updates. Oh, there's the search. Will you not crash on me? You're gonna crash on me. Maybe try warehouse instead. Will you not crash on me? Oh boy. This doesn't have it in there. Is it having problem fetching the packages? It's not that one. Okay, we'll fuck with this in a minute. We might have to restart to do that. And I can't really do that while streaming now, can I? I don't think that will work. Oh. Yes. Okay, that will work. I might not have to do the other thing. Let's see. If I just do a create, no, that's. I guess. Yes. Okay. Jesus Christ. Yep. Okay. So now I eh? What is it, DFN? It ain't DFN, it's DNF, right? I am so confused. Help. Hmm. Okay. I think we got that set up good enough. We can also do that and it'll do that same thing. You can also do that and it'll do that same thing. Yeah, that one's good. Okay, this one has not been. Is that not? It's really weird because, like, or was it? No. Okay. So this means I'm in the Arch 1, even though I can't really tell that I am. Let's close out of all these. Okay, we're good, we're good. Back to the main one. Okay. This one I'm actually in the Fedora one. But let's go back to the normal one. Did I spell that wrong the other time too? I might have. No. What a weird way to handle that. Okay. Do I just exit to exit? Okay. Yes. Fucker. Yes, why not? I hate the My Fedora thing. It's also weird too because like when I did this on, I could show you on the other computer, but like when I did this on my other one, um, when I did this on my other Bassite thing, that first thing that I did where it was like it gave me like it's like, oh, like what's your list, and it's like, and it has like all or M mon or whatever the hell it was. It had like a complete list of like arts and all that shit on there, so I don't understand why that wasn't there for this one. It's kind of confusing. Anyways, okay, and now this is just in Fedora, which should be it. So exit. We're gonna exit this for now. We're gonna go back to UJust because there's some stuff in here that I never. Uh. What was the? That's fine. Guess I could just do the pick. Oh, that's just for that. Oh, okay. No. I mean, sure. Will it pop me back? I mean, that's a kind of cool thing to do, so I don't have to sit here and very uncomfortably type over and over again. Because I just wanted to install some of these scripts anyways for the most part. Uh, Package not found. Awesome. I mean, sure, maybe at some point. I'm not too concerned about that. Don't care about that for the moment. Don't know why I would want any of that. Also, I already did like auto mounting on my other one without doing that, so I don't even know what that is. Don't know what this is. Don't know what half that is. We'll try this and see what we get out of this one. I should have some music going in the background. That's kind of what I was going to do with Mr. Fruity Loops there, but like it did not want to work. I guess I could have been fucked with that the whole entire time I was screwing with the other thing. So I don't know. I don't know a lot of stuff. Okay. Let's do that Proton Plus. You're cool. Okay, it doesn't have the update there. Okay. For now, let's move to the app menu. Yes. So that should be in my games, correct? I don't want to fuck with that right now. Or is it? Where would I put it? System? No. Utilities? No, I didn't put it on my goddamn thing. You have to be fucking kidding me. Does this thing hate me? Does this thing absolutely hate me? Things it's out to murder me. Oh no, it's in development, guys. Good news. It's in development. All right. I'm not gonna do that for now because I'm pretty sure if I just pull it up in development and do that, it should come right back up, right? No, it does not. Okay, it's launching on the side. Well, I have nothing on there, so can I close for now? Guys, can I close for now? Okay, well, it's all well and good. Let's close. We're not doing that right now. That's not what I wanted to do. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so I don't have the latest version of this because if I did, it would give me the little, there's a little refresh icon here that says, "Oh, you sure you want the latest, right? You have the latest? All right, so let's see if we. Okay, we can't. not from there anyways. Let's go back to warehouse because warehouse was working. Warehouse. Okay. Are you listed in here so I can update you? Aha. Is it not pulling sources? There should be. Convinced it has the latest one. I can guarantee you that's not the latest one. Crash. Oh boy. We have some issues going on. It's probably just high time for an update. And some of the things I have open, like OBS and Firefox, need updated, and they don't have a chance. Okay, so we're just going to. That's fine. It's good enough. This may or may not be pulling from some of the latest versions. This might be a few. I think this is a few versions behind too. I just had a guess. Which I think the one I was using on the other one is that UU one. It's like UMU or something. Which I think was more. What is that other program? The other one that's like Battles, that's the one. Oh, it's okay. Continue. Which this might. Uh-oh. Oh, my other PC decided it was it wanted to go to sleep because I had not been using it for long enough. Okay, let's go to settings here. Preferences, runners. Sure. Do that. Because I think all these get pulled into there anyways. I don't think this has the latest and greatest either, because I could swear this is where that came from. Whatever. That's fine. Okay, you're good. You're good. Error. You're good. You're good. Didn't download you. Didn't, or, yes, okay. It's fine. Okay, let's cancel this. Go back into this. Okay, I don't really care what your problem is, but everything else seems cool. Let's downsize this for now. Let's go back into this. Look at that. It sucks because let's do this one. This is definitely going to tell me to get boned. Again, it's going to load up the trial because it's a different thing. Did I do that? I had to do that. Why would I do that? Oh no. Let's close that for right now. Oh, it's trying. It's very, very labored. Oh. It loaded, and it loaded the trial. No, let's do... Let me move the fucking thing, please. Okay, let's see what happens. It probably will still tell me to get fucked. Okay, that's better. Okay, it looks like everything else worked. Let's try to load the main one. Well, thanks for that, bud. Okay, I did not see any errors loading that up. It's probably super fucking loud because it was super loud in my ears. Holy crap. Let's pull up OBS real quick. Surprisingly, oh, that has not been, has it been? Has, okay. Surprisingly, that's not peaking. I'm peaking, but it's not peaking. I am. Will it even let me do the plugins here? Let's see here. Let's add. Will it let me do the thing? Hmm. Okay. Don't. I don't think that's the one. But let's see if it actually will find them. Holy shit. Why the fuck is that so slow? Be here for 1900 years. Errors. I should have. It's fine. Which is kind of just a dump folder of my installed plugins, which means like there's going to be a lot of these that are not actually set up in any way whatsoever. And I'll have to do my new trial thingy with the trial and not have it be trial anymore. But that should just work now, hopefully. The only problem I was having was with like a small amount of different plugins that like don't display quite correctly, and like it's basically just a FL25 problem, and I don't know. Like I had this shit set up too, and I don't know why that went back to trial. I have no idea. I never set up any models, not quite yet. Okay. So also, did that crash? Or no, that finished. I guess. Or I don't know. Maybe I closed it, being an idiot. I don't care. Free loops, I just don't care. Okay. Let me try to do that to see if it actually will do it. Most of the time it doesn't anyways. Once again, I don't really know what that is. I have not had this problem at all. I don't care. Don't care. Really? Because It seems like it works just fine there. Let's just crash? No, okay. That's fine. Fuck you. Don't care. Come on, dude. What was the other thing that that was that the other one that like didn't wanna install? Or was that the one I got before? Okay, that just failed. What is this? Which there's also, it's probably like in the full screen mode. Will it let me have a normal shell? Because like that'd be really dumb if this doesn't let me have a normal shell. I don't care, Fruity Loops. You are the worst. Um, which I put this on the other thing, but okay. I am getting so sick of that fucking shit. Okay, that's fine. Definitely need to do that. What time is it? 2:30. Uh, oh come on, dog. This is just going to be a thing for a while. Wonder if I pull the arrow over here, if you guys can... Or no, I didn't do it last time either. Yeah, it just goes right back over to the other window. I'm gonna go ahead and start this. Because that's going to take a while to download. It really needs to be done. It probably will fix all the broken things. I'm just not going to restart it when it asks me to restart it. Because that shit's going to take a while. Oh no, I'm thirsty. Holy shit, dog. It's only to the M's. Why is the scanner so slow? There's no reason for the scanner to be slow. Except for it hates me. Look at that. Okay. Yay. And all that to basically do that, then close this back out, and then I'm going to load it back up again. Yes, I know you're just chomping at the bit there, bud. Alright. Oh, did it not stop? Did stop, so I don't know why I didn't want to stop. Okay. I would love... It will not do this dumb shit. I'm not sure why. We're not going to do that right now. Anyways, we're going to save that. No. Well, whatever, yes. And then sooner or later, I'll go and unlock this stupid thing. But for now, I just want to see if this will load without breaking. It might hang here. When I said it might hang here, that's kind of why I did exit and then come back. It might eventually load, which sucks because like I don't even like the Fruity Love filter. I don't use it. I don't use it really for this, like for the song at all. Like part of the like initial like thrust of the song was that, but not anymore. Okay. Well, that's fine. Once again, I'm going to pop my beer right back up for just a hot second. Okay. So and it might just be the fact that I just destroyed that with like all the damn stupid plugins in the world. But there's it working. Like I said, the free filter was part of a genesis of idea that really um, it kind of didn't really do its thing there, but it's how it kind of started. But um, it was not a great thing there. Um, but Free Loops 9 works perfectly with no real huff or muss, which this should too. Um, which actually, I don't know if it will. I would like to, let's say, that guy. I don't think any of this, or I guess it does load properly. I did not think it loaded properly. But go back to this and see that's the whole thing. So can I see where this lives? Let me get rid of this. I think it's trying to load this. Maybe. Can I remove it from here? I don't think it'll matter though. It's just not in there though. Like none of those are, because they shouldn't really be anyways. That's those. Um, I also don't really see it in there, but like I I really wish there was a thing where I could remove these plugins. Like basically go, hey, I know you found that, but can you not use that? It's kind of a thing there. Okay, because I think that's totally what that's crashing on. And if that wasn't there, it would work. Um, hold on, I need to know. Those aren't mine. Isn't exactly what I was going for there. Hmm. Was me, but still an idiot. Where would I put my... That's not it. I mean, those are old ones. Really old ones. Nope. Okay. I had some of the other stuff in there, but like, I don't think it's gonna be able to find the samples, so I doubt it can load any of these. Probably gonna be like, I don't know. You might get hung up on, it might be getting hung up on one of the rappers too. Yeah, it's probably gonna crash out here pretty quick. Well, dumb. Where is my update at? Cool, I can't see it. Can't see it. Okay. Okay, that's ready for